Hello and welcome to the second part of the Cornwall holiday videos covering railways, and these are done in the order visited as we stayed in Devon before going down to Cornwall. First up is the Lynton Barnstable. The original railway was opened in 1898 and closed in 1935. It is a narrow gauge line, currently 1 mile long, running between Woody Bay, an original station, and Killington Lane, which is a temporary terminus which they've got planning permission for before they extend the route. They've recently been granted planning permission to extend the line to Blackmore and Whistling Pound Reservoir, including the purchase of the old Blackmore station, which is currently a pub and restaurant. Personally, I think it's a very nice railway, but the short length really is a thorn in its side, and it does need some money and work for the extension. Personally, I think the extension of Blackmore will greatly improve the railway, not only adding a great length, but also giving it 2 proper stations to run between. Next up is the Helston Railway. This is my second visit to the railway, and the last time was many years ago. and I actually donated some materials to the Helston Railway last time, which was the form of the Knoll signal arm, which was it was a reduced length one in the stop formation. This year I gave them a road sign with a steam leg symbol on it, which means it's an ungated crossing, and some books and a puzzle as well, because they were spare, and obviously for them any income's better. It runs for 1.25 miles between a temporary terminus and Truthall Halt. Truthall Halt is the new extension. It was only opened earlier this year, and there's still quite a lot of work to be done apparently, and finishing touches to be done. Overall, much like the Lynton and Barnstable, it's a very nice railway, but again in need of some extension. And I think with the Helston Railway is that they actually now have planning permission to actually go and build a new station roughly where they are now, but obviously that requires a lot of manpower and a lot of money, considering they're actually a standard gauge railway. And I think that once they've got the extension to a proper station, they can then actually get some more money in and really spread the focus on getting a sort of like proper sort of line in place, because at the moment they're just using as a shuttle service, and as good as that is, in my opinion, it really sort of belies it as an industrial railway, as really it was a proper railway. So I think once they've got the extension in place and a proper station and all that sort of materials, they can then release an actual DMU for actual your service, or like a proper coach, and then have an actual proper shuttle service. But that's it for these videos, and I hope you enjoyed the footage that's been on the screen.